pour out of here.
And all this paneling's got to come out. I've got to replace it because I messed it all up when I was taking it.
We've got two more here. I have to work it out.
There's a, over there on the other side behind the fire truck, there's a hand cart. So you can use that to carry these things over there. Yes, sir. They're going to go, all this right here is going to go behind the fire truck. And you'll see where everything's at. But like I said, there's a hand truck. Each pedestal. The seat backs, they just slide right off. It's the other day, I'll let you wash your hands again. There's 4 flatheads.
That's the problem since we started.